Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you DraftKings how to use DK dollars. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your DraftKings app and be sure to be logged into your accounts as well. Now once you are logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the rewards icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you're here, what you need to do is tap on the tab My Rewards. And once you're inside there, here you'll be seeing the crowns option. Now all you gotta do is tap on Redeem Now. And once you tap on Redeem Now, here you'll be sent to your crowns redemption. Now all you gotta do is just select the option that says DK dollars. And once you select it, here what you need to do is just select the amount how much you want to redeem it. Once you have selected it, simply click on redeem, and once you click on redeem, here you'll be sent to your confirmation redeem page. All you gotta do now is click on confirm, and once you do that, you have successfully redeemed your crowns. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.